I have a very important question for you. Did you finish the goal that you planned last year? The same Jan 1st, 2018. Exactly 1 year back. You had all the spirit, all the kind of pump in your heart, and you wrote some of your goals, or you had some resolutions, or you had some new plans and ideas that you wanted to do in order to uplift your profession or personal life. Were you really able to complete that? You know, there is always going to be something. There is always going to be something unfortunate that could happen in your life. There is always going to be some excuses. There are always going to be some forms of difficulties that always keep you away from the possibility of completing. There is always going to be people who are definitely going to pull your legs. Besides all that, you will have to definitely work, take action. When you're trying to do something very important, that work is always going to be very inconvenient. Take it from me. Even if it is arranging for an assignment, even if it is trying to flip chart the plans for a new kind of a commitment of work that you would like to do, everything is going to show up, but it is going to be inconvenient to follow it through. It is going to be completely difficult for you to complete it, but still you have to work. That's the key. The key difference between the ordinary people and extraordinary people is that the ordinary people keep on whining and crying about the people who are not supporting them, why things are getting harder in life, and why God has been punishing them so far. During this time, these extraordinary people, besides having the same kind of pains that the ordinary people have, these extraordinary people will not whine and cry. They use the time for working. They work, they commit themselves, try to have fulfilling reasons for why not to quit. While the ordinary person has reasons for quitting, the extraordinary person has reasons for not quitting. So the choice is yours. You would like to be in the ordinary platform or extraordinary platform. So you got to work, and that's the very reason why extraordinary ideas that are prepared on Jan 1st become so ordinary on Jan 7th. Not even a week passing by. I don't want your life to have that kind of labels. So think about it. Just put things into work. Stop whining and crying and working. Start working. Start putting things into commitment. Start using the brain and get new forms of ideas. Start putting the ideas into action. And even if you fail in the ideas, congratulations. You have really tried something hard which you had not done the previous 2018 or 2017 or 2016. Just go for it. Just take the step and get wounded rather than just looking at it, speculating it, and not trying at all.